This is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we are once again looking at ticker symbol OPTT. Okay, yesterday was just a pause in the action. As you can see today, there's a fat bounce, currently up 43%, was as high as up 50% today. If you see here, notice that there was the big volume spike last week to start the run, and then it closed Friday on a giant volume spike with the close above the upper Bollinger Band. That did signal that the candles would likely work their way back into the band, similar to back here in June. Notice there was the close above the upper Bollinger Band, and then a red candle followed, and the candles worked their way back into the band. So we were expecting a red candle yesterday. That happened. The positive is look at the volume. It's a very small volume bar formed yesterday compared to the giant volume bars that formed the previous days. This shows that many of the traders that loaded on Friday and Thursday last week were still holding. Not many people sold yesterday. And then today we've got this bounce with another green volume spike. So this is continuing the uptrend. The candle yesterday is what we call a pause in the action. It was just a pause in the uptrend. As you can see, candles are forming above the middle Bollinger Band. When the middle Bollinger Band resistance level broke, that's the dotted purple line on the 11th, that signaled the start of a new uptrend. Okay, the move above this 300-day simple moving average on Friday or on Thursday of last week was the signal that the share price was ready to head higher. As you can see, it had been resistance. And so now what we have is we're going for a retest of the 52-week high. This 1010 represents the highest trading level of the entire year, and that is the next target. So bulls would like to see a break above that level. As long as candles keep riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher above the middle Bollinger Band, the OPTT will be very strong and in play. As long as the middle Bollinger Band holds, the uptrend will be intact. Okay, in order to find resistance, we needed to look at a longer time frame. So what we did is we created a weekly chart. Okay, so check out this weekly chart here. As you can see, there's a break above the May high close. That's what we wanted to see, a break above this red line. Okay, that happened last week. And now this week, the uptrend is continuing. Our next target to break is going to be this November high close. All right, and that is lining up with the 200-day simple moving average, currently at 1320. So that is our next target. We'd like to see a break above the high close in November and a test of 200-day moving average resistance here on the weekly chart. If the 200-day moving average gets hit, that is likely to be the climax of this run. Many times the 200-day moving average is the climax. That goes for every time frame. If it's on an intraday chart, a 15-minute chart, a daily chart, or a weekly chart, it's good practice to get in the habit of locking in gains when the 200-day moving average is hit. Okay, check out, there's big volume behind the moves. You gotta love that. As long as the middle Bollinger Band is holding, this uptrend should continue. Look for support at the 100-day moving average on a pullback. Okay, what you want to do is you want to be following the intraday charts. Look at the bullish move on the 15-minute chart today. Okay, yesterday there was a consolidation pattern, right? And then the candle started breaking the middle Bollinger Band into the close. Look how tight the Bollinger Bands were into the close yesterday. Okay, started off looking bearish with the candles forming below the middle Bollinger Band. It looked like the stock was going to pull back, but then volume came in, all right? This volume spike, and right here at 11 o'clock and the close above the middle Bollinger Band was the bull signal. This is what you're looking for if you're looking to play the bounce here. That was telling you, okay, OPT is back in play. We've got the volume spike, we've got the move above the middle Bollinger Band, and then what we're looking for is a break above the 50-day moving average. That just happened. So now candles are heading up to the next resistance level. And so what you want to see is you want to see candles continue forming above EMA's 4 and 8. As you can see, it's very strong here, right in EMA 4 support higher. As long as this middle Bollinger Band is holding, currently at 704, the uptrend will be intact and OPTT will be in play. If the middle Bollinger Band breaks on the 15-minute chart, that's going to be your signal that the chart is cooling down and to look for a possible reload lower. As long as the 15-minute chart and the daily chart are bullish with uptrends, the signal is to continue enjoying the ride. Okay, look for a possible run to November 2015 resistance and a possible test of the 200-day simple moving average on the weekly chart. Thank you for viewing this video. You can check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.